Year 2021, my health was really in a bad shape. I was overweight, got fatty liver, and was on pre-diabetic stage. Then, I decided to be more mindful of my health and do good things to my body. I went through months of intermittent fasting, low-carb diet, and did more physical activities and exercises. I started with a 30-day planking challenge and documented my progress. I achieved realistic results and the video even reached over 1 million views in YouTube. In this video, I will show you results of my 30-day push-up challenge. My goal was to make just 12 push-ups within the day. I did it every other day and not every day. According to studies, doing so will give more time for your muscles to recover after doing an exercise. Doing push-ups can help build muscle tone and strength in the upper body, working the biceps, triceps, chest muscles, upper back muscles, and shoulders. It can also improve cardiovascular health and better support around the shoulder joints. Push-ups are convenient exercise that you can do almost everywhere. You don't need any equipment or gym membership. Doing push-ups can also burn calories, protect shoulders and lower back from injuries, improve balance and posture, improve flexibility, and improve performance in sports and other athletic activities. So, what happened to me after 30 days? I've got more toned muscles. There's realistic improvement in my biceps, triceps, chest, and back. I also noticed that I've got more endurance in doing more repetitions of push-ups and other physical activities. I am happy about what I achieved in this exercise. I do not attribute the results alone to doing rounds of push-ups. To achieve better results, proper diet and appropriate exercise should be non-negotiable. Doing exercise like this improves mental health as well. It works on improving self-esteem and cognitive function. Be healthy and happy always, my friends.